Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're celebrating a time-honored classic, corned beef and cabbage, with a boost of boldness from the king of flavor. We'll start by making a creamy horseradish sauce, which is 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup sour cream, 1/2 teaspoon coarse black pepper, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, 1 teaspoon prepared horseradish, 1 teaspoon dried chives. Now add some beautiful flavor and kick with about 2 teaspoons of our El Yucateco Red. Stir to combine and then place in the refrigerator until serving. For the best results, make it the day before you serve. We're using a 3.5-pound corned beef today. Unpackage, rinse, and get it into a large stock pot. Add 1 quart of water per pound of beef, then add your spice package. Now we'll boost the flavors with our El Yucateco Red. You can add anywhere from 1 to 2 ounces here. Now cover it up and bring to a boil over high heat. Once it begins to boil, reduce the heat down to a simmer and let it go for about 45 minutes per pound. Now time to add our veggies. We have here 1 large chopped onion, 2 chopped celery stalks, 2 cups of chopped carrots, and some small red potatoes. Once again, cover and simmer for about 30 more minutes or until the potatoes and carrots begin to tenderize. Then add in your wedges of cabbage, cover, and cook for about 30 more minutes to let that absorb all the beautiful flavors of that broth. And that's also perfect timing for your corned beef to be nice and tender. So slice it up, serve it up, and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget till next time to kick up all your recipes with the king of flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.